Ah, boo.
Hi.
Jude.
Hi.
Oh, you look at the camera. You can't look at the camera. You look at the camera. You're not good.
Hi. Good morning.
He's wearing his
Good
little
morning.
Superman vest. Hey, Jasper.
Yeah.
Hi. Is this your dog? Is this your dog right here? Jasper.
Hi.
Kisses. Kisses right here. Kisses right here. Right.
Oh,
Kisses.
is Jasper gonna give you kisses? Oh no, Jasper.
We're good. Is that your dog? Is this your dog right here? This girl?
Oh, Jasper, that's a good boy, Jasper.
That's a good
Oh, Jasper.
Hey, Dad's gonna keep trying to give you kisses, and you're still gonna keep trying to eat on him, aren't you?
Hi. Yes. Jude. Do you know your name? Yes, you do, don't you?
Oh, I'm so excited.
Hi. Hi. Hello. I did close up with smiles. Hi. Hey, what's that tongue doing?
Yeah, what's that tongue? Do you have any idea what that is? Toby.
Oh, that sun's so bright. Can you do it? Yeah.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Alright, stop.
What?
Alright, stop
Bless you,
David.
Jasper.
He's gone. Bless you.
All right. All done? No more?
Like, oh, bless you. Oh! Bless you. Bless you.
Okay, Jasper.
What's going on over here, Jasper? You're sneezing? Jude's sneezing? Did you give him something? Yes, you did.